Hello guys, welcome to the channel Crypto Global 100, and look at the market guys. It's red everywhere. The cryptocurrency is red. The cryptocurrency market is red today, and you can see the Bitcoin price, Ethereum, all the majors. Not the Dogecoin, it's going up. It's very unusual. XRP, Litecoin, BNB, everything is in crash. You can see here. Nano is going up, every other thing, Link, VeChain. So this is a video about the Bitcoin crash. So you can see here why the Bitcoin crashes. First things, Bitcoin tumbles after Turkey bans crypto payments. This is the one news. News impact a lot, very, they impact a lot. And the other thing, I was reading an article, which was this. It was that there you can see here, read this, okay. While the exact reason for the sudden crash is unknown, the market mood may have soared due to the rumors that US Treasury is planning to charge several financial institutions for money laundering using cryptocurrencies. CoinDesk has been unable to independently verify any pending government action. So the news impacts a lot. So why maybe they're gonna charge, the US Treasury is going to charge, if they want to charge, they want to, back out from the people want to sell their BTCs. So that's why we can say this, and dump as well. Now I wanted to show, let's check if it $50,000 was on the cards or not. Let's draw some support and resistance and then take a look at it. Let us draw the value here. Yeah, let me draw some monthly, weekly levels so that we can identify was that in the cards or not. Let's check it out. Okay, let me delete again. This isn't making good. Let me read. This making high high, this making low low. Oh man, damn. You see, just look at this. Just look at this. And exact dump here. Right on the tip of that body wick. That is the wick, that is the body. It opened from there, it closed there, and you can see just matter of seconds it draw this level, and it happened on the 8th of March. You can see here 8th of the March, so right after a month. So you can see the exact correction. Why? Because we might see that here, if we look closely, just observe this chart, okay. Just observe this chart. Okay, let me show you another thing as well. Let me draw this level as well. Let me color it to this one as well. So, and this one as well, and this one as well. So here you just observe this chart, okay. The chart, observe, is when it crosses this level, okay, this level here, when it crossed this level, it went up, and at the very next movement was a retest. Okay, clear? First things first, what happened when it crossed this level? It crossed up, it came down, broke this level. Now it was retested at this level as well. And first thing, that the next thing was, after retest, it went up at this level. Take it. Okay, it went up at this level. Then what happened? Moved up, new high, new swing high. Okay, so this level was retested, this level was not tested, and it was tested at this point. This was tested at this point, $50,959. It was retested, it got rejected. Okay, then it moved up again. Okay, and the next week was It broke this level, but again tested this level as well, and it got rejected as well. Okay, so we have one, two, three rejections there, two rejections there. Due to the three rejections on the upside on the resistance level, it moved down. Okay, so let's take another look on the, if we turn on the volume, let's take a look at the volume. You see here the volume at this candle was good. Okay, then it came back with a low volume. Okay, it came back with a low volume. You see here it came back with a low volume at this candle, these two candles. Low volume means that not a lot of selling, a lot of selling, and not a lot of momentum that can break this level. So it was meant to be upwards. Now the next thing was upward trend was not supported with the volume as well. So the next today's candle, which is today's weekly candle, it shows that a strong selling is going on, and we can correlate that with this CoinDesk news as well. So let's move on to the daily chart if we can. So let me undraw this level. Oh, sorry. Let me draw this level as well, which was here. Okay, now go to the daily chart. Let's take a look at the daily chart as well. So you see how it respected this level. Just look at the respect it is tested. Why it this level was tested on the 26th of March. Here you can see here. Just take a look at here. Here, let me draw this as well. Here you can see first time broke this level, retested this level, moved up. First attempt here, it came back because this level was tested, but with not with a lot of volume. So this level was tested second time in a row. This was first attempt, and this was second attempt. So just let me show you how. Here, if we look at this level, let me show you the 45,000 level. Okay, 45,000 level. Here you see it moved up, retested. It was in a consolidation period because this candle here, if we look at the volume downwards, you see here the volume was decreasing. Okay, here you can see the volume was decreasing and the move was up. It was not supported, so it retested back. Then next, these three candles, okay, these three candles moved straight up. It moved straight up. Okay, and it was this level was not tested because it moved straight with a bullish pattern, and this level needed to be tested, this level, this level, this level, because it was not tested. So it was tested. You know the concept of SNR flip, SNR flip, this was resistance, it became support. You see here at this level, you see here it became the support. So second time it was rejected, low volume, not a lot of volume, so it was rejected. Okay, moving on. This level here, if we see, it again moved like, bullish flag. It was a bullish move, and it tested this level. Okay, came back at this level of that last swing high. Here we can see here it tested this level, again moved up, consolidate. Again you see little move, not a lot of big move. Then it again come back, and this level was tested first time. You see here it was first tested as a resistance, and then after that it was tested as a support. So this was the first test. Okay, this was the first attempt to break this level, but it didn't go. Okay, so next was, it is again tested at this level. So this is a major point. You can see the, you see these two. Just look at this candle here, the volume candle I'm talking about here, it's very similar to this one. So you can correlate this to this, and you can correlate this to this. So you can imagine that these two candles, these two bars are very similar, and they tried to attempt this, to break this level with a great momentum. So now what's next move? We can say that if it goes like this, you see here, this level was broken, it retested back. Now we might see some rejection back to this again in a couple of days, or in a couple of, because the April is always a bullish move. So this is, so that's what I think. Okay, so I'm gonna use some RSI. Let me draw the RSI as well, so we can have a good idea if it really did that thing. Let's take a look at the RSI, what the RSI was telling it. Okay, so I have drawn this level, so you can see here the price was up, making higher lows. Here you can see here was making higher high, and the price was also going higher high here, making higher lows. Okay, and then after that we can see here, if we look from this level, you can see the divergence here. You see, let me show you the divergence. Let me first just change the inputs to the, sorry, this is, I wanted to, so okay, okay, got it. Sorry. So the thing is, let me show you here. The thing is, you can see here, if we look at here, you see here the price went up, but here you can see it was indicating that the price, let me change the color, it's very different color, let me change it, white. Okay, and let me change this to the 90, let me change this to the 10, and okay, and that's okay. Now here you see that, let me minimize it as well, it's very big. So here you can see, let's see, okay, here you see on the upward move, you see the price was making higher high. Okay, the price was making higher high, but here the RSI was making lower low. This happened from February to March. Okay, this is on daily chart. What's next? You can see here again, if we look at from the upside, from here to here, see again it was a down movement. You can see here RSI was making down movement, but the movement from here was again the top movement. So we can see the moment this started, this next lower peak started here at this level, the RSI was indicating that we need to back out, we need to sell off, we need to move out of the BTC market, because this is gonna retest this level. So you see here, if we delete this as well, and if we look at here, see here, same exactly, it was touching the same here. You can see here this level and this level. So these, all these things, see here at this level the support was tested, the volume was same, the RSI almost the same here, testing at this level, the news. So all these things gives the price was the due, the dump was due, the crash was due. So this is what I think on the basis of technical analysis. This is what I have done to analyze on the technical basis. So that's it, guys. I hope you have bought the dip, because these things gives you the opportunity to buy the dip. So you can invest and you get more out of it. So that's guys, take care, happy trading, bye.